Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Nissan Sentra CVT transmission issues. First, let's identify common problems like slipping or unusual noises. Always check your transmission fluid level and condition, as low or dirty fluid is a frequent culprit. Don't forget to use an OBD-Roman 2 scanner to pull any diagnostic trouble codes, which can point you in the right direction. Once you've diagnosed the issue, a fluid and filter service is often the next step. Carefully drain all the old CVT fluid. It's crucial to replace both the transmission filter and the pan gasket with new, high-quality parts. Then, refill your transmission with the exact type and amount of Nissan NS2 or NS3 CVT fluid to ensure proper operation. If fluid service doesn't resolve the problem, you might need to look at the valve body and solenoids. Inspect the valve body for any signs of wear or damage, which can affect fluid pressure. Test each solenoid for proper electrical function and continuity. If a valve body replacement is necessary, it's often best to seek professional assistance due to its complexity. After any repairs, it's important to perform a CVT reprogramming or relearn procedure if your vehicle requires it. This helps the transmission adapt to new components. Always clear all stored diagnostic trouble codes from the system. Finally, take your Sentra for a thorough test drive to confirm that the transmission is operating smoothly and correctly under various conditions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.